Hey guys! So in this video, I'm going to show you something really simple, but super important. How to change the aspect ratio in CapCut PC version. And yeah, if this helps you even a little, just hit like and subscribe because I keep sharing simple guides like this. Alright, so first look at this. You can see my project is set to 9:16 right now, basically a vertical video. Now the problem is if you don't change this, your video might not fit other platforms properly. So what you want to do is go to the bottom right corner of the video player. You'll see an option called Ratio. Just click on that. Now here's where it gets interesting. You'll see a list of different ratios. There's also a custom option if you want full control. But for most people, including me, we usually go with 16:9. So yeah, just click 16:9 and boom, your project updates instantly. Now wait, one important thing. Your project ratio changes, but your video size stays the same. So, if it looks weird, don't worry. Just click on the video clip, then go to the right side panel. Make sure Video is selected, then click on Basic. Now here you'll see Scale. You can increase or decrease it depending on how you want your video to fit. And here's a small trick. If you turn off Uniform Scale, you can adjust width and height separately. You have full control. So, yeah, that's literally it. Super simple, but really important if you want your videos to look perfect on different platforms. If this helped you, just hit like and subscribe. I'll keep making simple tutorials like this. And yeah, if you're stuck on anything, just drop a comment. I'll try to make a video on it. Alright, see you in the next one. Thumbs up.